So Giving Up by Ingrid Michaelson, and this is going to be a little bit slower, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, that's kind of important. Okay, there we go. We start having a ball. What if the paint chips from the wall? What if there's always cups in the sink? What if I'm not what you think I am? What if I fall further than you? What if you dream of somebody new? What if I never let you in, or chase you with a rolling pin? Well, what if I do? 'Cause I am giving up on making passes, and I am giving up on half-empty glasses, and I am giving up on greener grasses. I am giving up. What if our baby comes home after 9? What if your eyes close before mine? What if you lose yourself sometime? Well, I'll be the one to find you, safe in my heart. 'Cause I am giving up on making passes, and I am giving up on half-empty glasses, and I am giving up on greener grasses. I am giving up, 'cause I'm giving